Right now, somewhere in the world, someone just had a breakthrough idea, and it'll die with them. No resources, no education, no platform. Now imagine that limitation disappears completely. Tonight, every human being on the planet goes to sleep normal and wakes up a genius. Sounds incredible. It's actually one of the most dangerous things that could happen to our species. Let's break down why. First, let's define the scenario properly, because this matters. We're not talking about everyone becoming Einstein clones. We're talking about every human suddenly gaining elite-level reasoning, memory, pattern recognition, and problem-solving ability, roughly equivalent to the top 0.1% of human cognitive performance. And the first surprising fact is this: intelligence isn't actually the bottleneck holding back most of human progress. Picture the first morning. Doctors instantly understand diseases they'd studied for decades. Students master calculus in an afternoon. Engineers immediately see flaws in systems. But genius doesn't just solve problems, it reveals them. Suddenly, every system, every institution, every job is being questioned. Modern civilization is built on specialization and trust. Now imagine that trust starts to break down as everyone becomes capable of questioning everything: medicine, finance, government, work. Once trust collapses, systems become unstable. And here's something even more unsettling. Intelligence does not guarantee agreement. In fact, brilliant people often disagree more, not less. Now multiply that by 8 billion people, all building flawless arguments for completely different conclusions. We've seen smaller versions of this in history, like during the Industrial Revolution, where sudden capability shifts caused massive social disruption before stabilizing again. But long-term, this could also unlock an unprecedented leap forward. Medical breakthroughs, climate solutions, energy systems, space exploration, all accelerated dramatically. However, intelligence alone doesn't solve everything. Emotional control, cooperation, and wisdom do not automatically increase with IQ. And without those, a world of geniuses can still collapse into conflict. So what happens if every human becomes a genius overnight? Short-term chaos, long-term potential. And the outcome depends on something intelligence alone can't provide. The real question is not whether we become smarter, it's whether we become wiser.